Welcome to everyone. Here we are, playing this game again. Ay, walang hard mode. Okay.
Resident Evil 4.
Ayan. Handa na ba kayo matakot?
1998. I'll never forget it. It was the year when those grisly murders occurred in the Arklay Mountains. Soon after, the news was out to the whole world, revealing that it was the fault of a secret viral experiment conducted by the international pharmaceutical enterprise, Umbrella.
Okay.
The virus broke out in a nearby mountain community, Raccoon City, and hit the peaceful little town with a devastating blow crippling its very foundation. Not taking any chances, the President of the United States ordered a contingency plan to sterilize
Relax mo.
Raccoon City.
Thank you, Mia.
With the whole affair gone public,
May inis na naman tayo.
the United States government issued an indefinite suspension of
Sige, tingnan
business
natin kung
decree
may
to
inis na
Umbrella.
tayo.
Soon its stock prices crashed, and for all intents and purposes, Umbrella was finished.
Nananapak kayo. Ah, oo nga pala. Wait lang. Wait, baka hindi nyo rin ako naririnig.
6 years have passed since that horrendous incident.
Hold on.
I received special training via a secret organization working under the direct control of the president. I was to assume the responsibility of protecting the new president's family.
Why am I the one who always gets me short end of the stick?
Yo, who are you really? Come on and tell us. You are a long way from home, cowboy. You have my sympathies.
Guess that's a local's way of breaking the ice. Anyway, you know what this is all about. My assignment is to search for the president's missing daughter.
What? All by yourself?
I'm sure you boys didn't just tag along so we could sing Kumbaya together at some Boy Scout bonfire. Then again, maybe you did.
Oh, you crazy American. It's a direct order from the chief himself. I tell you, it's no picnic.
I'm
Sa
counting on
Twitch.
you guys.
Gora, ma'am. Wait lang, adjust ko pala yung sound. Ang tagal matapos itong cinematic. Never ko pa napanood to.
It was right before I was to take on my duties of protecting the president's daughter when
Gagi.
she was abducted. That's the ultimate reason I'm in this lonely and rural part of Europe. According to our intelligence, there's reliable information about a sighting of a girl that looks very similar to the president's daughter. Apparently, she's being withheld by some unidentified group of people. Who would have thought that my first job would have been a rescue mission?
It's freezing.
Wala, ano yun?
So cold all of a sudden.
Nagiging masyadong mahamog. Oh.
Must be my imagination. Sorry it took so long.
Oh, andyan ka na sa Twitch, te. Welcome sa Twitch. Hala? Wait lang ha.
Just up ahead is the village.
I'll go and have a look around.
We'll stay and watch the car. Don't want to get any parking tickets.
Right. Parking tickets.
Good luck.
Shit, bakit ganun? Ang pogi pa rin niya.
Jeez. Who are these guys?
Kahit luma yung itsura niya dito, ganun. Ayun na.
Leon, I hope you can hear me. I'm Ingrid Hunnigan. I'll be your support on this mission.
Loud and clear. Somehow I thought you'd be a little older. So the subject's name's Ashley Graham, right?
That's right. She's the daughter of the president. So try to behave yourself, okay?
Whoever this group is, they sure picked the wrong girl to kidnap.
I'll try to find some more information on my end as well.
Good. Talk to you later. Leon out.
Should check out that file. Sorry for that. Patalastas. Ang weird nito, tinetesting ko to kanina kung magloloko pa rin ba yung live ko. And wala namang ganong nangyari kanina. Hindi naman nagloloko yung mouse, ganon. But other than that, sobrang na-weirdohan ako sa controls. Hindi ako sanay dito. Yan na ba yung remake? Hindi ito yung original, yung 2005 nakalagay. Yung una. Yeah. Oh my god, tao po. Hindi ako sanay dito sa controls. Siguro kasi nasanay ako dun kay Lara na tumatakbo patagilid. Dito forward and forward and backward. Hello po. May yellow po kayo?
Excuse me. Sir?
Ba, hindi ka kasi kumatok muna bago pinasok mo agad. Ay,
I was wondering if you might recognize a girl in this photograph.
¿Qué carajo estás haciendo aquí? ¡Lárgate, cabrón!
Sorry to have bothered you.
Gagi. Inaaway ka na pala, hindi mo naiintindihan.
I said freeze!
Fucking shoot him. Grabe. Wala, asan na yung kasama, yung mga driver niya?
Is everything okay?
No.
There's a hostile local. I had no choice but to neutralize it. There are still others surrounding the area.
Get out of there and head toward the village. Take whatever measures necessary to save the subject.
Understood.
Oh, take whatever measure. You know what that means. Check. He's not a zombie. Teka, anong meron dito? What are... Ew! Tara na nga. Ano meron dito? Handgun. So, hindi only yung yung bala ng baril natin ngayon? Wala. Ano ipapanlaban ko kapag naubusan ako ng bala? Oo na. Ah! Teka lang naman. Hindi ako sanay dito Walang dodge. Ah! Di ba't ang hirap? Ah! Ang bagal niya lumingon. Nakakainis. Okay. I need to get used to it. Hindi ako sanay sa sa pakikipagbarilan dito. Nakakaloka. Ayun. Leon, ba't ganyan? Ayusin mo. Okay, pahinga muna tayo dito sa shed. Ano tong typewriter? Ah, save! Okay. Save data. Yes po. Ayan. Log number 1. Nabugbog ng villagers. Ganon. Diba may kutsilyo tayo dito? Paano ba yung kutsilyo? Ayan! Taktingayin ko lang na ano to Na-figure out to Kasi alam ko, maubos yung bala natin ng baril. Mamaya di na natin kayanin. So, paano yung inventory? Ay. Oo, di ba? Babato ko na lang yung baril dun saan. Hahagis ko na lang. Gagi. Wala yung aso. Wait lang. Nabalik trauma ko niya. Inaabangan ko rin bumalik din yung trauma ko dito, te. May specific na kalaban dito na takot ako nung una kong nakita. Ako ba, kahit pagtulog ko, parang nakikita ko siya kapag pumikit ako. Wait, ano to? Ay! Sige, huwag tayong dadaan dyan. Ah, puta! May bear trap! Gagi, hindi ko napansin yun ah. Asan na yung kalaban? Buti na may indicator na may kalaban. Yung chainsaw na ka Takta, ewan ko ba bakit ang scary ng chainsaw? Kasi siguro lagi natin yung nakikita sa horror movies. Lalo na to. Paano ko i-heal si Leon? Hindi ko alam paano mag-inventory. Shift. Ang laki kasi, te. Ay, alin, te? Chainsaw? Hala. Ang naaalala ko lang yung mga villagers na nag-chainsaw. May kalaban bang malaki na may chainsaw? Or baka boss? Ganun. Ba yan? Hindi ko pwede gamitin yung camera pang... Ay! Ano yan? Ang yaman nila, no? Yung pera. Nakalapag lang kung saan-saan. Yung chainsaw mismo yung malaki. Ha? Ay! Huwag ka lalapit. Wala kang buhay. Ayan. Duguan. Sugatan si Leon. Teka ha. Hindi ko alam paano mag... Ayun! Tab pala po. Ayan. Teka. May herbs pa ako dito. Paano to? Ayan! Now, paano i-move to? Teka. Natakot ako. Bumukas yung pinto. Pasok ka. Gagi. Hangin lang pala. Sorry. Paano pa kaya kapag naglaro ako ng totoong horror game, no? Horror game din naman to. Totoong horror game. Pero hindi siya, super duper scary. Ganon. Ay, may tao. Naaninag ko agad. Labas. Parang matagal ako masasanay dito sa keyboard controls, ha? Okay, ano na to?
Leon, how you holding up?
Bad question.
Sorry to hear that. I'm sending you a playing mag. Hope you find it useful.
I'll take a look at it. Thanks.
Ngayon lang nag-manual. Kanina pa ako naglalaro. O, alam ko na yan. Alam ko na rin yan. Changing inventory screens. Page down at page up. Wala naman page down, page up yung keyboard ko. Okay, malas. So, paano yun? Hindi ko rin alam paano i-move tong mga... Tapos na-discard ko pala no? Ayun. Ang galing! Dapat doon may manual. Okay, ano yan? The arrow up or down? Parang... Hindi ko na-try. Wait lang. Hala, gagi yung ano? Ito ba yung kasama ko kanina sa kotse? Sira ulo. Nasaan kaya yung isa? Grabe. Mukhang hindi tayo welcome dito. For sure. Pagbababarilin natin sila lahat. Saray. Hindi. Let's sneak in. Kasi marami sila. Mukhang masaswarm ako dito bigla. And cannibalism. Parang hindi naman Hello, magtatanong lang po. Ay, gaga! Hindi inabot ang kutsilyo ko, gagi. Hala, asa na sila? Narinig ako nila for sure. Ay! Andiyan na pala! Wow! Pwede pala sila ma-one shot. Akala ko hindi talaga sila na one shot sa ulo. Ay, ba't may nag-growl? Ay, baka pala yun. Nasaan na sila? Ay, nangitlog. Ayan. Ito pala kayo sa loob, ha? Lo, buhay ka pa! Ay, ang dami pa! Why the fuck are they carrying ammo? They're not even using it. Wait lang, isa-isa lang. Ah! Gagi. Pwede pala yun. Ano ba yun? Nakakailang headshot na ako. Ay, gagi! Wait, parang feeling ko mayroon pa. Wala, meron pa nga. Nasaan na? Kakasart na laban. Kinakabahan ka, te. Ako, ay! Sige. Ako yung umilag. Hindi sa likod. Sira ulo. Hinahagis pala nila yun. Wait. Di, kinabahan din ako. Ang dami. My God.
Lord Sutler.
Yan, tea time na nila, so pumasok na sila.
Where's everyone going?
Hindi pala to Spain, no? British pala to. Resident Evil. Let's go!
Hunnigan, I have some bad news. I've confirmed the body of an officer. Something's happened to the people here.
Leon, you need to get out of there. Look for a tower and follow the trail near it.
Got it.
So ano ba talaga? I-rescue pa ba natin si Ashley o get out of there na lang? Sige, mang loot muna tayo ng mga bahay dito. Dahil ayokong mamaya kinukuyog tayo naubusan tayo ng bala. Wag ganon, wag po ganon, bawal yun. Ang hirap-hirap nang gumalaw Ayan, may takbo pala. Diyos ko, kanina pa ako lakad ng lakad, pwede pala tumakbo. Magre-reklamo na sana ako kay Leon Yes, mga kakamay. Bisyo na yan, te. Ay, tsari. Pwede ko ba patayin yung manok? Pwede. Wala lang. At siguro hindi ko pinatay. Hinintay ko mangitlog muna. Hello? Anong pinapakain nila sa'yo? Wait, where does this lead to? Ay, palabas na ba to? Teka, may bahay pa. Yan. Uy, flash grenade. Saan to? Dito na ba? It won't open. Okay. Must be barred from the other side. Okay, so hindi ito ang tamang daan. We're going the wrong way. Dito ako dumaan kanina. Baka pwede mag-break in. Dito sila galing. Ang dami nila dito kanina. Nice. Okay, ano pang loot ang meron dito? Incendiary, Incendiary grenade. Tapos walang laman yung isa. Ang taray, two-way door. Ay, pwede rin pumasok dito. Ito naman, napakagala ko na naman. Ay, hindi. Okay. Tara na nga. Anong tower? Ay, wait. Pwede pa ata pumasok dito. Pwede natin i-push to. Okay. Dumadaan nga pala sila sa sa mga bintana. Okay. Ubus na ba yung laman ng bahay na to? Ay, hindi. May second floor pa. Uy, ano to? Oh, diba? From second floor, kaya niya yun. Yan, may pera din. Nakatuwa naman. What is that? Ay! I did not expect that to open. Teka, nakakalimutan ko paano gamitin kutsilyo. Saan ako dadaan nito? Dito ata. Yung tore. Huh? Ito lang to dito? Akala ko dito na yung daan Saan ba? Okay. Naliligaw na naman po ako. Alam, ma'am. Where am I supposed to go? Stuck na naman ako sa... Ano ba naman yan? I'm so bad at navigation. My goodness. Oh my god, I think I found it. Holy shit. Ayan. Ayan na nga. Sa wakas. What are these? Ay! Gagi! May mga tao pala. Ano? Meron pa? Meron pa nga. Ala, buhay pa! Goodness. Minsan nawo-one shot sila, minsan hindi. So, ano yun? Nagka-critical? Ganun? Hello po. I'm here to dispose of you. Bago mo pa ako maunahan. Yes. Okay, wait. May save point dito. Yan. Wala naman laman. Ay, meron pa. Tagal mo mamatay ah. Yan. About the blue medallions. 15 blue medallions. 7 in the farm, 8 in the cemetery. For those of you who destroy 10 or more will be awarded. The rest is illegible. Okay, let's go find all of those medallions. Akala ko may... Uy! May doggy? Parang guard dog. Alright. I'm just gonna try to roam around here. Ano yan? Ito ba yung aso kanina? O iba yan? Spinel. Ay, may tao? Ay! Okay, nice. Ang gara, ang weird. Try ko nga mag-controller. Parang feeling ko mas kapag controller. Teka, tingnan ko. Move, aim, options, skip movies, swing knife. Oh! Fire, reload, run, quick turn, map, action. Ay! Ano yung action? X? Control camera. Okay. Parang feeling ko mas madali pa sa controller. It's easier with the controller. Ay! Bakit ni-knockdown mo? Okay, ano ba? Ay! Ba't lumabas itong mga baka? Ay, nandito na ata to kanina pa. Nakapag-save na ba ako? I think I've already saved. But let's do it again just in case. Wait, what is this? There's a room right here. Pero hindi ako makapasok. Ah, dito ata. Ayan, dito nga. What is this? Beerstein. Okay, and I think I found a way out. Wala lang, in-explore ko lang yan. Let's see what's over here. This is a very weird village. I don't know what's... Ay, gagi! May ganun, may dodge. Alright, tara, let's. Ooh, what is that? Spinel? Ay, gagi. Ay! Nilapitan ng gagamba. Ano yung mga sumasabog? Ba't ang daming pasabog? Ah, fuck! Kaya pala. Yan na nga. Yung mga nag-hugs. Ayan na naman! Oh my goodness! Where the fuck are they? Uy! Paano mag-dodge? Hayop. Teka, kain mo na tayo itlog. Sira ulo, ilang beses ako nung pinasabugan. Hayop. Okay. Kain pa tayong itlog. What if I arrange this? Oh, will increase your maximum health. Okay, so these needs to be combined. Okay na siguro yan. How do we... Okay, so this is how you arrange them. Alright. I've been trying to figure this out kanina sa, what you call this? Sa keyboard controls, but I can't. I don't know which letter to press. But there! Asan yung nagpapasabog na yan? Ay, putang. Hindi ka pala sa loob, ha? Wait, what? Gagi. Yan, sabugan kayo. Meron pa? Teka, bakit kumaba? Kinukulit to. Mukhang hindi ko naman mabubuksan to. Ayan pala ha. Nasabog ka rin. Sige, subukan mo lumabas. Tayo. Wala pala kang bala. Gagi. Ha. Kulit nyo ah. Kanina pa kayo ah. Okay, oras nang lumabas. Ay, nagugulat naman ako dito sa mga aso ko na to. Nakakatakot pa to. Ay, nako. Okay. Let me get back in. Ay. Yan. Meron na naman. Ba yan? Wait. Baka may daanan dito? Ano? There's a secret compartment. Lo, parang natatakot ako buksan. Huli yun. Ayan. End of chapter 1-1. Okay, let's go. Next chapter.